Hi, hello, my fourth standard kids. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to see degrees of comparison grammar class. So last class we have seen about the adjectives. Okay, all have very neatly done the projects. It is very happy to see the projects. Do you feel happy to see the projects and do it? Yes, I think you have enjoyed doing the adjectives. So, shall we know what are adjectives now? Do you know it? Yes, it is describing a noun. Okay, so what is now degrees of comparison? Let us see that. It refers to adjectives being written in different forms of to compare one, two, or more nouns which are words describing persons, place, and things. Okay, so that is the more than one or two it is comparing, that will be adjectives. So there are three different forms of comparisons. The first one is positive, second one is comparative, and the third one is superlative. Let us go for the positive. Is the form of an adjective that describes one noun, only one noun it is there, so it is describing only that, particularly that only it is describing. Second one is comparative noun, so that is adjective compares two nouns, it compares two nouns. Then superlative form of adjectives will be two, more than two nouns. Okay, two, more than two nouns. The positive will be no comparison will be done. Okay, no, there will plain it will be given thus an example. Raja is an intelligent boy. Then comparative degree, when it comes to a two person only, Madhu is more intelligent than Sonia. That means Sonia is intelligent than Madhu. That is, Madhu is more intelligent. She is only more. That is, Madhu is more intelligent than Sonia. Sonia is not so intelligent. So we are saying more about Madhu. Then if it is superlative comparison among several persons or objects, this is the biggest house in the street. In one street, which is the biggest house, is that is, this is the house. So this is the biggest house in the street. So this is the comparison of all together. So now in positive degree, we will use the words like as tall as fat as big as. So this will be the written there for positive degree. Then for comparative degree, it will be than. It will be used as than. Comparatively, taller than, fatter than, shorter than, heavier than. That and all will be coming for comparative degree. Tallest will be EST. The last one will be EST. That is most, finished. That is the last. Okay, so the last degree of comparison will be the last one. So there are some rules to be followed in the degrees of comparison. That is, the first rule is positive degree rule will be as fast as. These words will be written for the as fast as tall as big as heavy as. So it will be written for positive. If you have this as tall as, it is called as positive degree of comparison. Second one, comparative degree will be having this an. Than, the than will be there for more than. Okay, more, I have more than you. Okay, so that is comparative degree. Then superlative, the most one, superior one, so only it is called a superlative. Okay, the adjectives which follows with the est or most. So tallest, shortest, smallest, most interesting. So all this will be superlative degree. So I have given some superlative degrees words. Okay, kind, kinder, kindest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, soft, softer, softest. So these are the things I have given. I will give the whole page and the screenshot and also some exercise in the PDF for you to note down. So have in mind this and all will come for exam. Write and keep it neatly in your book. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Bye.